recap what we have done yesterday, and I said that Gujarat, I said the districts are like Devbhoomi Dwarka and then Jamnagar, then I said Porbandar, and then you know that in the Jamnagar what are the things are there? There is a Reliance, the world, I said that largest oil refinery, and then in the Jamnagar there is also one Salaya oil refinery is also there, and we have been able to see there is I said that there is a Porbandar, and nearby Porbandar and Devbhoomi Dwarka there is a Dwarka sea beach. Understood? Thereafter I talked about this Gir Somnath. Gir Somnath, then I said after Gir Somnath there is a Junagadh, Rajkot, Morbi. Gir Somnath, I said Gir Somnath, Junagadh, Rajkot, Morbi and Surendranagar. And in the Gir Somnath, and here it is I said Gir, Girnar, and then on the Gir we have seen I said that what is there? Gir Forest National Park, and thereafter I said that there is a Rajkot, and here we have I said that Mandav Hills, and then again we have seen I said that which one I said Devbhoomi Dwarka, Jamnagar. Jamnagar is famous for I said that I said Reliance and Salaya, but at the same time nearby there is a Pirotan island is there, and then there is Marine National Park, and there is I said that in this region if you will come there is a Venu Hills, Barda Hills, Elich Hills, Venu Hills, Barda Hills, Elich Hills, and then we have seen like I said this one, and there is a Gir Forest National Park, Gir, Girnar, and then there is Mandav. Thereafter we have seen Morbi and Surendranagar. Then I said that Amreli, Bhavnagar, Botad, अमीरों का भाव बोलता है, ध्यान रखें. And then Bhavnagar, I said that B for Bhavnagar, B for Black Buck National Park. And then I said that there is I said उनके भाव को कौन तोड़ता है, who breaks? I said that Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, and then I said Gandhi, Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. And in the Ahmedabad, there's so many information we know that there is I said that there is a Nal Sarovar lake, and there is a Kankedia. So I said that Nal Sarovar is a wetland and Kankedia is also lake. But in the Ahmedabad, we know that Sabarmati river is crossing nearby, you must be knowing. And we have seen like I said that in the Ahmedabad there is oil fields are there, Ahmedabad, and then in Ahmedabad which are I said that Ahmedabad, Dholaka, and Ahmedabad, Dholaka and Sanand. Understood? Thereafter we come for I said that Kheda, Anand, and then I said Kheda, Anand, Kheda और खड़े खड़े आनंद लेना आपको. Then I said that Kheda district, I have told you what is there in the Kheda district. Yes, Naugram, खड़े खड़े Naugram, and the Naugram is an oil field and also oil refinery. And then Ahmedabad has Viramgram oil refinery. Yesterday I said that Ahmedabad has Viramgram oil refinery. And जहाँ पे oil refinery होता है आपको जानते हैं कि different 5 types and 6 types of industries, and the others also smaller industries are there. Yes. And then we have seen Anand. Anand, I said that the Barkol oil field, which I said that Anand aata hai Barkol oil field, and we have seen also that Anand has one of the cooperative type of sector is there, which is I said that the National Dairy Development Board. Understood? And then we have seen I said Panchmahal Dahod, Panchmahal की दौड़ लगानी है. And then I said Panchmahal कैसा हो गया? काला. Kalol oil field, which one I said that Kalol oil field. And जहाँ पे भी oil field there must be oil refinery, but it is not like this. I said that if I'm not talking about oil refinery, I used to talk about large oil refineries. Other has also oil refineries, and every oil refinery is fertilizer industry and all. And nearby there will be thermal power plant. Which thermal power plant? Coal or oil? Sorry, gas based. Gas based. And पंचमहल की आपको क्या लगानी है? दौड़ लगानी है. पंचमहल दौड़ तो कैसा है? माही की तरह आपको क्या करना है? अरावली को क्रॉस करना है. माही सागर, अरावली, लेकिन इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? सबरकंठा. अंडरस्टूड? सबरकंठा, महेसना, बनसकंठा. सबर करो, महान सेना बन जाएगी. पट्ठों, पतन. I said that. I said patan. And then Mahesana, I talked about Mahesana and Kadi as an oil field. Mahesana and तो महान सेना को क्या खिलाओगे आप? Kadhi. Understood? Mehsana and Kadi. Thereafter we are talking about Banaskana, and then we have discussed about the run of Kutch. I said that run of Kutch, and then I said Kutch and little run of Kutch. And run of Kutch means itself it is in a marshy area, and within the run of Kutch we have seen there is a Pancham Island, Bela Island, and in the Kutch region I said that there is which one, 3 regions are there, Kutch hills, and because of this there is an earthquake zone 5. And then we can be able to say also in this region Umarsar coalfield. Write down in the Kutch which coalfield I said that, Umarsar coalfield. As you have seen earlier in Jammu and Kashmir, I talked about Nichahom, Kalakot. Nichahom, Muzaffarabad, Pak occupied Kashmir mein tha. Kalakot has, I said that, which one I said? In the Rajouri district, thermal power plant, and in the Bikaner district, we have seen Palana coalfield. So similarly, tertiary coalfield in the Kutch region, I said that Umarsar. Understood? So the coal is also available in the Gujarat, but in which region? Kutch region. Understood? And then in Kutch region I said that Umarsar coalfield. Which one I said that? In Kutch region, which coalfield? Umarsar. Understood? And then Kutch में हमने बताया था, I said Kutch is in a biosphere reserve, and H becomes 8 later, and then in 2008 it become biosphere reserve. And thereafter I talked about below Kallol, and this one is there is in a Vadodara. Below Vadodara there is an, I said, Narmada. I said that there is an, I said, Narmada, and Narmada का छोटा उदय हुआ, छोटा उदयपुर, वडोदरा, एंड देन भर भर कर खाए तो सूरत खराब हो गया, भरूच सूरत, छोटा उदयपुर, सॉरी आई सेड दैट नर्मदा, छोटा उदयपुर, वडोदरा, भरूच, सूरत. And then I said in the Vadodara, I said Vadodara, Koyali, one of the largest, I said that better to say second largest oil refinery. And I said that in public sector, Salaya, and after that Koyali. It is in Vadodara. And then Bharuch district I have talked about. I said that there is a Dahej, भर भर कर दहेज लिया और अंकल बन गए, भाई Dahej and Ankleshwar. Understood? And thereafter I talked about, and Dahej sea beach is also there. Then after I talked about Bharuch, and then Surat district I have talked about. It is, and I said that Hajira, Kawas, and then Tapi river is also coming, and there are 2 dams are there. Which are the 2 dams in the Surat? I said that Ukai and which one? Kakrapara. And Kakrapara, in the, therefore Surat has Kakrapara atomic power station, and Surat has lots of oil refineries, so industries ki kami nahi hai. It's like Shanghai, it's like, means everything is there in the Surat. And then coastal city it is also. So we, after that I talked about Navsari, and then Navsari Dang. तो नवा साड़ी पहन के लोग सोचते हैं गुजराती लोग कि डांगिया का समय आ गया. They started doing Dang, and then Da for Dang, once Da National Park. Which national park? Once Da National Park, and then there is in a Valsad. We have seen like this, and we have seen, I said what? Vanshada National Park, Black Buck National Park, and thereafter I talked about Bhavnagar Black Buck, and then Gir Forest National Park, Marine National Park, and Kutch Biosphere Reserve. And then another few things that we have also covered, like I said, physiography. What are the 3 physiographies of Gujarat? I said that Kathiawar, that is Saurashtra, and there is a hills are there, and then Gujarat plain and Kutch region. These are the 3 divisions are there. And then let us see which are the important oil refineries. Salaya, have you heard about? Yes. And then I talked about in Ahmedabad, Viramgram, and then Naugram. Then we have heard about Kalol. Then we have heard about Koyali. These are also, I am talking about oil refinery. Dahej, Ankleshwar, and Bardoli. इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ कि बारदोली सत्याग्रह सूरत में है. That is also famous oil refinery. And then Kakrapara is also oil refineries. The whole सूरत में, सूरत के अंदर में हजीरा, कवास, ये सारे रीजन. समझ में आ गया which are the famous oil refinery? इससे भी ज़्यादा oil refineries हैं. Understood? So you need not to remember all, but I just say that the famous one Salaya, then the famous one Viramgram, Naugram, Koyali, Kalol, Dahej, Ankleshwar, and then some are, I said that in one in the Bardoli, Kawas, Hajira, ये सारे region in the Surat. So we have seen, I said that Porbandar coast, we know that it is in a what Gohelwar coast, and this is in Kathiawar coast, and it is an, I said that submergent type of coast, but Kutch is an, I said that emergent, and then this is in a Gulf of Sambat, this is Gulf of Kutch, and then I talked about there is in a Pancham Island, Bela Island, and we have seen Pirotan Island, and here it is in a Mal Bank, Malacca Bank, and one more island is there, Aliabet Island. But Aliabet Island is for the oil field. Understood? And thereafter we have seen like Dwarka Sea Beach, and then Chorwad Sea Beach, and this is famous Dahej Sea Beach. And then hills we have seen, like I said, Venu Hills, Barda Hills, Alich Hills, then Gir, गिरनार, मांडव, और क्या खेल रहे हैं लोग, शतरंज, शतरंजो, गिर गिर कर भी मानो क्या खेलते रहता है, शतरंज में जब एक बार कभी दोज हु हैव प्लेड शतरंज हारने के बाद लगता है नहीं, आई नीड टू प्ले अगेन, अंडरस्टूड, सो गिर गिर कर भी मानो क्या खेलता है, शतरंजो, एंड देन चाहे किस कोई भी चीज़ पहना हो, कच्छ हिल्स, एंड वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी दिस टू इम्पोर्टेंट पिक्स आर देयर, सरकला एंड Gorakhnath. Understood? Thereafter we talked about Bhadra river has Bhadra dam, Akrimota river has Akrimota, and there is one Banas river is coming from Marwar side, and that is I said Dantiwada. Yes, तो पता ही होगा बानर लोग क्या करते रहते हैं, दांतों से वार करते रहते हैं. Thereafter from the Aravali east Mewat region से Sabarmati river, and then the dams are there, Hathmati, धर लेते हैं, वश में करना है, हाथ में अपने मती को धर लेना है, वश करना है, हाथमती, धरोई एंड वासना, एंड देन नर्मदा रिवर, सरदार सरोवर, एंड देन वी हैव सीन काकरापारा एंड उकाई. These are the things we have seen, and Mahi river is also there, we have discussed, but in this section, and Narayan Sarovar we have seen, and then Nal Sarovar, and the Nal Sarovar is in a wetland, and it is Kankadiya. So नारायण के नाल रहोगे तो क्या मिलेगा, कंकड़. And we have seen zone 5, zone 4, and that I said that zone 3. And rainfall pattern को हम लोगों ने पहले ही देख रखा था. There is an, I said 10 to what I said that 20 centimeter, 50 to 60, 50 to 75 in the Aravalli के पास. And then alluvial soil, black soil, grey brown soil. This is desert, and the coastal region has alluvial soil. And then we have seen what we are growing, bajra in the Kutch region, and here cotton and ज्वार. ब्लैक सॉइल के लिए आप लोग जान चुके हैं कि व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड, ब्लैक कॉटन के लिए. सो इट इज इन अ क्ले सॉइल, एंड द ब्लैक सॉइल इज इन अ प्रोवाइडिंग क्ले सॉइल, एंड देन रेनफॉल शुड बी एरिड और सेमी एरिड कंडीशन, एंड देन इट इज इन अ व्हाट इरिगेशन बेस्ड क्रॉप, 210 frost free days. Understood? These are the requirement which is very famous, which is required for it. And then you can understand that bauxite. If you remember that when I was doing उड़ीसा तो मैंने बोला था बक्से को ओजी झाड़ में फेंक दो. कहाँ फेंक दो, झाड़ में. Understood? So I said that O means Odisha, G for Gujarat and Jharkhand, and then whole Gujarat you can see that along this region. So there is also some aluminum industries are there. So केवल एक आइडिया लेना है जो आपको याद हो गया. गुजरात has I said that what aluminum also. OG बक्से को OG झाड़ में फेंक दो, माँ छत पे आ जाएगी. महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़. अंडरस्टूड? सो वी हैव सीन, आई सेड दैट सॉल्ट इंडिया का यहाँ पर, एंड हाउ मच सॉल्ट इट इज अंडर द प्रोडक्शन इन द ऑफ टोटल इंडिया. You know that 50% of the salt is being produced in I said Gujarat. 50% of the total salt production is being produced in Gujarat. Thereafter I said that which coal field? Ummarsar coal field in Kutch region. Thereafter that largest में एक Salaya, and then what is Koyali under the public sector but not in private. Private में which one is Reliance. Understood? And then ये एक just दिखा रहा हूँ कि कितने thermal power plant है. एक major I said that minor में कमी नहीं है. Understood? Several thermal power plants are. Then I have to talk about, I said that wind energy. I am talking about wind energy. And then India at present it is producing how much? Around you can say that 29,000 megawatt or 30,000 megawatt. And then according to the Paris Agreement, it is going to produce in the coming by 2022. It is how much? 60,000 megawatt. So at present India is producing around 29,000 megawatt around, or you can say 30,000 megawatt. So wind energy. And for the wind energy, I said that what you need for the wind energy, what you need, what is the need? I said that speed of the wind, speed of wind should be more than, I said that, equal to or 5 kilometer per hour. Understood? Speed of the wind should be more than 5 kilometer per hour. And we can be able to see that two types of, I said that, one it is, I said, onshore, another I talked about offshore. On means I said that within the land, onshore means I have a wind mill, and then that is an, I said that their blades are moving. It is very large. And then I said that one it is in the coastal region. I said that we have installed, and its life is around 30 years. एक बार लगाने के बाद its life is around, I said that, 20 years. So one it is, I said that, onshore, another I said that just near to the coast. Wind ज़्यादा move करता है. There are the two types of windmills, onshore and offshore. Understood? Onshore and I said that offshore. Sorry. Understood it? These are the two types of windmills. लेकिन जब ये कहीं पे भी लगता है तो कम से कम 100-200. तो वो रीज़न में if wherever these windmills are there, no development, वहाँ पे कोई भी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इसकी जो साउंड होती है, इसकी साउंड जो when it moves, so its sound is like when a car is moving with 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर. स्पीड कितनी होती है? जो साउंड जनरेट होता है, that it is, I said that it is equivalent to the car is passing nearby you with 100 kilometer per hour. So that land become no development. उस लैंड में आप कुछ वहाँ पे आसपास रहना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. So no development nearby and no